fair dice are thrown simultaneously. Two scores are then multiplied together. Calculate the probability that the product is 12 and even. So here we have to find out first ace is equals to what? Two fair dice are thrown simultaneously. So ace is equals to thrown of two fair dice. So then the outcomes will be 1 1, 1 2, 1 3. So the outcomes are 6 square equals to 36. These are the possible outcomes of S. Now two scores are then multiplied together. Calculate the probability that the product is 12. So first part is A is equals to product is 12. So here product is 12. We are find out some outcomes. 2 into 6 12, 3 into 4 12, 4 into 3 12 and 6 into 2 12. So there are four possible outcomes contained by the event A. 2 6, 3 4, 4 3 and 6 2. So the outcomes are four outcomes. Therefore the probability of A is equals to even points of A 4 and the even points of A, this is 36. So 4 by 36, that means 1 by 9. Now come to the second part. Second part is the product is even. So B is equals to product is even. So here possible outcomes are when even number and a odd number are multiplied, then it will be a even number, and when two even numbers are multiplied, then it's also a even number. So here are possible outcomes are here the second row, the fourth row and the sixth row. These are all even numbers. Product are even number because there one term is minimum, one term is even because it's 2 2 2 2 and here 4 and here 6. So these their product are even, and the first in the first row this one and this third here 1 2 3 and the fifth row 1 2 3. So the B containing the outcomes here, B containing total outcomes 27. Therefore the probability of B is equals to 27 by whole divided by total outcomes, this is 36, that means 3 by 4. So this is the answer. Next question, what is the chance of obtaining a sum of 8 in a single cast with 2 dice? So we are throwing 2 dice. The possible even points are 1 1, 1 2, 1 3, 1 4, 1 5, 1 6. Similarly 2 1, 2 2. Similarly we are getting 6 square, that means 36 even points. Now we have to find out the probability of obtaining a sum of 8 in a single cast of 2 dice. So sum of 8. Here for sum of 8 are 2 plus 6 8. 3 plus 5 8, 4 plus 4 8, 5 plus 3 8, 6 plus 2 8. So the event A is equals to sum of 8 equals to 2 6, 3 5, 4 4, 5 3 and 6 2. Therefore the probability of A is equals to 1 2 3 4 5. Even points of A, 5 whole divided by even point of A is 36. So 5 by 36 the answer. Now the second part, what is the second part? Find the chance of throwing at least 8 in a single cast with 2 dice. At least 8 means B is equals to at least 8. That means it is 8 plus it is 9 plus it is 10 plus it is 11 plus it is 12. Why? Because the maximum sum is 12. So it is 8. 8, that means 1 2 3 4 5. So 5 outcomes, and it is 9. Here 9 containing this part is 9. So there are also 4 even points. It is 10. This part is 10, and it's obtaining 3 even points, and it is 11 containing 2 even points, and it is 12 it containing 1 even point. So the total even points 5, 4, 9, 1, 10 and 15. Therefore the probability of B is equals to 15 by 36. That means 5 by 12. This is the answer.